Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
First, check your iPhone 14 software and carrier support before adding 2 ESIMs. Make sure the phone runs iOS 16 or later for full dual ESIM support. Confirm each carrier supports ESIM activation and can provide either a QR code or activation code for each line. Update carrier settings when prompted and connect to stable Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Back up your device to iCloud before changing cellular plans. Keep account numbers and PINs, open settings, and tap cellular to begin adding your first ESIM on iPhone 14. Choose Add Cellular Plan and use the camera to scan the carrier QR code or paste the activation code from your carrier. Complete any carrier prompts or install via the carrier app if provided. Repeat Add Cellular Plan to install the second ESIM and follow the same steps for the other carrier. After both plans install, tap each plan and assign clear labels like primary and secondary to avoid confusion. Open cellular settings to choose which line handles voice, SMS, and cellular data by default. Select your default voice line and then pick the data lines separately to control billing and roaming. If you want automatic fallback, enable Allow Cellular Data Switching so active calls can use the other data plan when needed. Configure iMessage and FaceTime to use a specific line under each app settings. For international travel, turn on data roaming per line and review carrier roaming rates before use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.